Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs pop. We'll explore simple yet effective techniques to achieve that desirable runny yolk and stunning presentation. Whether you prefer fried, poached, or soft-boiled, these methods will elevate your egg dishes. Get ready to transform your breakfast or brunch into a culinary masterpiece with just a few easy steps. Let's dive in and master the art of perfectly cooked eggs. For perfectly fried eggs with a delightful runny yolk, start by heating your pan over medium-low heat. Crack your egg gently into the pan. Once the whites begin to set, add about 1 tablespoon of water to the pan and immediately cover it. This steams the top, cooking the whites without overcooking the yolk. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, then serve immediately for a truly popping experience. Achieving a soft-boiled egg with a luscious, runny yolk is straightforward. First, bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Carefully lower your eggs into the boiling water. For large eggs, boil them for precisely 6 to 7 minutes. Once the time is up, immediately transfer the eggs to an ice bath. This crucial step stops the cooking process, ensuring your yolks remain perfectly runny and ready to pop when you cut into them. To truly make your eggs pop in flavor and presentation, remember these final touches. Always season your eggs generously with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper right after cooking. For an extra flourish, sprinkle some finely chopped fresh herbs, such as chives or parsley, over the top. And most importantly, serve your perfectly cooked eggs immediately to enjoy their optimal texture and warmth. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.